guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. That investigators say developer of tornado case arrested. Authorities in the Netherlands said they had arrested a developer of the crypto mining service tornado case. The move comes just days after the U.S. part tornado case on its surface of the Dutch tax authorities announced the arrest in the Amsterdam of a 29-year-old man who they believe is a developer for tornado case, a crypto mixing service that the U.S. sanctioned earlier in the week. U.S. Treasury Department announced a sanction against the service on Monday. The case was reportedly utilized by the North Korean state hacker to conceal billions of dollars. The crypto mixing service helped a cryptocurrency user evade detection by concealing the origins and the destination of transaction. The result made transaction more anonymous. What have the Dutch authorities said? Public sectors serious fraud, environmental crime, and they said the tornado case involved in the laundering of some 7 billion $8 billion worth of cryptocurrency since 2019, when the service emerged. That official associated service helped cancel for stolen a drug hacked by a group believed to be associated with North Korea and the other criminal activities. The statement said in part investigation showed that at least $1 billion worth of cryptocurrencies of criminal origin possessed the mixer. It is suspected that persons behind this organization have made clear skill provided from this transaction. The suspect will face money laundering charges. What else is to know about the investigation? That Financial Advanced Cyber Team Division began investigating the case in June for concealing their criminal transactions, including for cryptocurrency hacks. Prosecutors say more arrests are possible. U.S. Treasury sanction means America are buffered from legally using the case, and U.S. firms prohibited from cryptocurrency hacks. Prosecutors said more arrests are possible. The U.S. Treasury sanction means America are barred from legally using a tornado case, and U.S. firms prohibited from integrating with its service. The Dutch Financial Advanced Cyber Team Division began investigating tornado case in June for concealing their criminal transactions, including for cryptocurrency hacks. Prosecutors say more arrests are possible. The suspect will face money laundering charges. It is suspected that persons behind the organization have made large-scale profit from this transaction. Fallout about crypto. Wait. from crypto contagion suspend, but no market reversal just yet. Well, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.